Hi everyone, this is Maki, and thank you for watching this video. Today's topic is washi, the Japanese traditional paper. Usually, ordinary paper's lifespan is said to be about 100 years. If it is well preserved, maybe 300 to 400 years. But washi is exceptional. It's known to last 1,000 years. Wow. Because of that, it is used to preserve or restore cultural artifacts. Personally, I love papers. I love travel, especially foreign countries, and everywhere I buy papers. But washi is exceptional. I'm not saying because I'm Japanese. It is exceptional. I'm gonna explain why it's so wonderful and exceptional. The history of washi and how it has been used, the materials, and how the beautiful washi is made. Well, let's get started. The history of washi. There are various theories about whether Japanese paper making comes from overseas or developed within Japan, but at least from ancient texts called Kojiki or Nihon Shoki, we know that Japanese paper was existed in 5th or 6th century at least. Later, with emperor's command, paper making spread all over Japan. Decorated paper was began to appear in late Heian period. The Tale of Genji, or the Pillow Book, was written around that time. In the Edo period, the demand of paper grew rapidly, and production increased to match it. This is because regular citizens had high literacy rates. Nearly everyone could read and write at, level probably was different, but so paper was necessary thing in Edo life. For example, there was explosion of printed materials, ukiyo-e prints, books, comic style stories called kusasoshi, light novels, and even kawaraban, which were like newspaper and others. Also, ladies from rich family or samurai bushi family used papers to write letters, which was very usual, including thanks letters, introducing letters, seasonal greetings, and so on. Also, it is actually the same as now, but it was used as origami. So you can see that Japanese paper culture was rich and diverse. Well, besides cultural uses, washi was also essential in daily life. How washi was used. From Edo period to today, washi is used in many ways. For example, lights. Andon, that's lanterns. An andon was an indoor lamp made by pasting washi onto wooden frame and using oil with a wick inside. It gave off about as much light as small light bulb. Chojin, paper lanterns. Those were used outdoors as portable lights. People were even encouraged to carry them when going out at night, so they wouldn't be mistaken as thieves. Wagasa, Japanese umbrella. Wagasa became common among ordinary people during Edo period. Craftsmen developed techniques to make washi waterproof by coating with persimmon tanning and oil. As bamboo techniques were developed, opening and closing of umbrellas became easier. Opening and closing umbrella was invented in Edo period, allowing wagasa to spread widely among the fabric. Interior fittings. Shoji. that still exists a lot of Japanese homes or houses. And it is paper sliding screens. Shoji itself was existed from Heian period, but in Edo, as washi production increased, they became common for ordinary houses or homes. Thin wooden frames covered with white washi served not only room dividers, but also softened diffused natural light beautifully. Fusuma, that is, paper-covered sliding doors. It's also common in Japan at this day. In Edo era, the structure of sliding door was preferred because it doesn't take any space. Fusuma became widely used as room dividers or closet doors. This is surprising. Futon, I was surprised. Futon made with washi was called kami futon. Washi is thick and retains warmness, and when stuffed with cotton or straw, these futon became surprisingly practical. Although they're mostly used by poor people, they were also loved by samurai and poets because they're lightweight and easy to carry. A good friend for travel. Materials of washi. Washi was made from many plant fibers. Hemp, kozo, which is paper mulberry, mitsumata, gampi, bamboo, and others. I'm gonna explain the most used ones. Hemp, one of the old material of washi. The fibers are strong, so they had to be boiled and pounded to be used. It was main ingredient before kozo became popular. Kozo, paper mulberry, the most common material today. Its long fibers make strong and durable papers. Mitsumata, its fiber is finer, giving a smooth, glossy finish. It is said to be the highest quality in the world. The washi making process. Preparing a raw material. Plant fibers like the ones I just mentioned are used. Boiling and softening the fiber. The fibers are steamed and boiled with lye or ash water to soften them and remove impurities. Beating the fibers. The softened fibers are soaked in water and beaten with sticks or machines until they become fine pulp. Paper scraping. Nagashizuki method. The pulp, water, and a sticky liquid called neri, which helps the fibers spread evenly, are placed in a vat, and the craftsman moves bamboo screen back and forth to form a thin sheet. Pressing. The sheets are stacked and pressed to remove water. Drying. Each wet sheet is brushed onto a wooden board or drying surface and sun-dried to finish the paper. So I'm wrapping up. Besides, I love and I think the washi is the best paper in the world. I think washi shows the Japanese sense of beauty. Paper doesn't have to be beautiful or exquisite, but Japanese, the spirit of Japanese, something to be developed in better way, is available here too. Paper it has its own role and doesn't have to be beautiful. If it's practical, that's what it is. But beautiful things are beautiful, and surrounding by beautiful things is just makes people, I think, richer mind, and probably from Heian period, Japanese knew it. I like that kind of Japaneseness. And so, thanks for craftsmanship that they created such a beautiful paper. And it also proves Japanese at the time had room to create something beautiful, which tells me that I think to live the life rich, we all need room. So I don't want to be filled with busyness, even though it is sometimes difficult. I'm gonna try to have a room, and I hope you could do that too. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.